Now that you have stopped watching porn, let's talk about masturbation. While this course is about quitting porn, I'm going to give you some tips on how to increase your chances for a full recovery. Obviously, masturbation and porn go together, so masturbation can absolutely be a trigger. I recommend abstaining from masturbation for at least 30 days. Some of you may not get an erection because porn is no longer in your life, and for a few weeks, that is completely normal. While others may get an erection often. Maybe it's just the thought of watching porn will give you an erection. Not everybody is the same. And if you are female, when I talk about erection, I'm also talking about female arousal. Aside from being sure you are not triggered to watch porn, when you stop masturbating, it gives your body and brain a chance to reset itself. The longer you can go, the better. After about a week or so, I absolutely encourage you to have sex if you have a partner or a spouse. While it may be tough at first getting an erection, it's okay. If you cannot reach an orgasm, don't get stressed and don't get down on yourself. Don't try too hard. If it's not working, stop, take a break, and try again another day. This is your healing time, and with any addiction, getting back to your baseline self takes time. So remember, no masturbating for a while and sex is okay, without watching porn obviously, but give it some time and patience.